Hello everyone, my name is Neil Dhuri. I am a student of Bharatiya Vidyapeeth College of Hotel and Tourism Management, and today I am going to explain to you three UNESCO World Heritage Sites of Uttar Pradesh. First of all, what is UNESCO? The United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization is a specialized agency of the United Nations aimed at promoting world peace and security through international cooperation in education, arts, science and culture. The first UNESCO World Heritage Site of UP is Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal, crown of the palace, is an Islamic ivory white marble mausoleum on the right bank of the river Yamuna in the Indian city of Agra. It was commissioned in 1632 by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan to house the tomb of his favorite wife Mumtaz Mahal. It also houses the tomb of Shah Jahan himself. Construction of mausoleum was essentially completed in 1643, but work continued on other phases of the project for another 10 years. The Taj Mahal complex is believed to have been completed in its entirety in 1653 at a cost estimated at the time to be around 32 million, which in 2020 would be approximately 70 billion, about 1 billion US dollar. The construction project employed some 20,000 artisans under the guidance of a board of architects led by the court architect to the Emperor Ustad Ahmad Lohari. The Taj Mahal was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983 for being the jewel of Muslim art in India, and in 2007 it was declared as a winner of the new 7 Wonders of the World. The second UNESCO World Heritage Site of UP is Agra Fort. The Agra Fort is a historical fort in the city of Agra in India. It was built during 1565 to 1573 for the Mughal Emperor Akbar. It was the main residence of the rulers of Sikharwar clan of Rajputs until Mughals occupied it and Mughal dynasty until 1638, when the capital was shifted from Agra to Delhi. It was also known as Lal Killa, Fort Rogue or Killa-e-Akbari. Before the capture by the British, the last Indian rulers to have occupied it were the Marathas. In 1983, the Agra Fort was life inscribed as UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is about 2.5 kilometers northwest of its more famous sister monument, the Taj Mahal. The third UNESCO World Heritage Site of UP is the Fatehpur Sikri. Built during the second half of the 16th century by the Emperor Akbar, Fatehpur Sikri, the city of victory, was the capital of the Mughal Empire for only some 10 years. The complex of monuments and the temples, all in uniform architectural style, includes one of the largest mosques in India, the Jama Masjid. Fatehpur Sikri is located in Agra district in the state of Uttar Pradesh in northern India. It was constructed southeast of an artificial lake on the sloping levels of the outcrops of Vidyan hill ranges. Known as the City of Victory, it was made capital by the Mughal Emperor Akbar and constructed between 1571 and 1573. Fatehpur Sikri was the first planned city of the Mughals to be marked by magnificent administrative, residential and religious buildings comprised of places, public building, mosques and living areas for the court, the army, the servants of the king and an entire city. Diwan-e-Aam Hall of Public Audience is encircled by a series of porticos broken up at the west by the insertion of the emperor's seat in the form of a small raised chamber separated by perforated stone screens and provided with pitched stone roof. At the north side of it stands a building popularly known as Diwan-e-Khas Hall of Private Audience, also known as the Jewel House. Other monuments of exceptional quality are N.M. Panch Mahal, an extraordinary entirely columnar 5-story structure disposed asymmetrically on the pattern of a Persian bagdir, or Windcatcher Tower, the Pavilion House of Turkish Sultana Anup Talao, Peerless Pool, Diwan Khas-e-Khas and Khwab Ghar, also known as Sleeping Chamber. Palace of Jodhabai, the largest building of the residential complex, which was richly carved interior pillars, balconies, perforated stone windows, and a blue ribbed roof on the north and south sides, Birbal's house, and the Caravanserai, Haram, Sara, baths, waterworks, stables, and Hiran Tower. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a good day.